Hi everybody, it's Mr. Liu. This is page 34. Solve. Number 13. The length of a train engine is 439 centimeters. The length of the carriage is about 558 centimeters. Estimate the total length of the train and the carriage. So, when we have a word problem, what I like to do is I like to take it one sentence at a time and I like to draw pictures. So the length of the train engine is 439 centimeters. I'm going to draw a simple circle to represent my train engine. I'm going to label that 439. Okay, I have a length, put down. The length of the carriage is about 558 centimeters. I'm going to draw another circle, make it a little bigger. I'm going to make this one bigger because 558 is bigger than 439. So I'll make a bigger circle to represent my carriage, and I'm going to label that one 558. Okay, that takes care of my second sentence. Estimate the total length of the train and the carriage. So when I want the total length of the train and the carriage, what I want to do is I want to put these two things together. So, and when I put these two numbers together, let me move this one together. And when I move two numbers together, and when I put them together, I am adding those two numbers. And when I want to find the total length, I'm going to add those two numbers. So I'm going to estimate the total length of the train. So I don't need the exact answer, I just want to estimate. So I'm going to use rounding to help me estimate these numbers. And when I round off 439, I'm going to round that number off to, 439 rounds off close to 400. When I round to the hundreds, let's round off 558 to my hundreds as well. Alright, I'm going to round to my hundreds, which is my 5. And look at my neighbor, which is 5. Well, we know 5, we have to go up to the next 100. So 558 rounds off to 600. And again, we're putting these two numbers together. So 400 plus 600, I'm going to write that down. So 400 and 600 plus 600 gives me 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 6 plus 4 is 10. So it gives me 1,000. So my total length of the train and the carriage is about 1,000 because we're estimating. Alright, number 14. I'm going to read it, and you guys can do this by yourself. A wooden pole is 356 centimeters long. 104 centimeters of it is driven into the ground. About what height of the wooden pole is above ground? So I'm going to draw this picture for you and help you draw this picture, and you guys can solve it yourself. So a wooden pole is 556 centimeters long. So I'm going to draw a simple wooden pole. I'm going to label that wooden pole 356. Okay, so 104 centimeters of it is driven into the ground. So that means 104 centimeters is under the ground. So this part right here, which is underground, is 104. So what's the height of the wooden pole that's above ground? So I'm looking for the height that is above ground, right over here. Let's put a question mark. Okay? So go ahead, solve this. Good luck, and we're done with this page once you finish.